Hey, welcome to Tasting Tequila with Brad. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. And this is just a quick little trailer to talk about what this YouTube channel really is all about. You know, I've been in love with tequila for 20 plus years. I've been drinking tequila since the Cabo Wabo in 2002 or three when we first went down there and had the opportunity to have good old blue bottle Cabo Wabo. And I really fell in love with that traditional, authentic made tequila way back when. And then I noticed over the years that that tequila changed, along with some of my other favorite tequilas like Castadores, where the flavors felt a little more manufactured. And I really picked up a few more flavors that weren't authentic, like what you'd find in a great glass or bottle of Fortaleza. So I decided to start this YouTube channel and other social media where you can find me at Tasting Tequila with Brad on TikTok, as long as it's still available, Facebook, and Instagram. I try to share some educational things like what a Tohona is and how great authentic tequila is made. I also will do reviews of tequilas and talk about the flavor profiles and what I like or dislike about that tequila and that tequila's production method. I also really enjoy interviewing some other content creators that are doing the same thing, trying to educate, review, and talk about great tequilas and how those are manufactured. And the best part of doing all of this is when I get to interview different brand owners and really talk about why they got into the tequila business, what maybe their family was involved and it's a tradition, like my friend Arturo, who has Lost Lore, or like Alex and Monica, who started Siempre out of this side of being in the marketing world, and Monica being from Mexico and their love for agave spirits turned that into a fantastic brand. Or a guy like Alan Taylor, who was a furniture maker that decided, hey, you know what? My family's made tequila. I want to make tequila, and brings out a fantastic blanco like Entre Manos. So there's all kinds of stories you're going to hear on this channel. So tune in. I continue to do new interviews all the time, and I'm always reviewing new tequilas. And I figured for this video, why not kick it off with a little taste of the Fortaleza Still Strength. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy my channel.